All right. Can you demo for me one problem? All right. Let me just come back in full course here. Let's bring Pavan up, please, if we could. So Pavan, right? Let's just create a new example of this, right? I hate spiders. Let's say that let's make that the problem, right? So what question could you ask that gets the problem state up?
Okay, so
and I'll give you a hint. You can mine it. You can take it straight from the card if you want. I'm just trying to get you to start thinking. So what kind of question will bring the problem state up for I hate spiders?
so where do you hate spiders in your life?
How's that going to give you a feeling? How's it going to get a felt sense? What's a problem state? It's a feeling that's causing a problem.
Okay.
So ask that question. How do you feel when you're near a spider? Doesn't that make more sense?
Okay. So what
Right?
happens to you when you see a spider?
I hate them. So what happens to you is not a feeling question, is it?
How do you feel when you see a
There you
spider?
go. It's so simple. Literally use the word feel. Why? Because we're
Okay.
narrowing down to feeling. Now, we can use other things too. So you can do mind-bending language on all kinds of things, not just feelings. But today, we're only focusing on feelings because that's the easiest, most robust, most workable route to take. Then when we get to other things that are more complex, they won't be as daunting for you. Does that make sense? So how do I feel when there's a spider around? I feel afraid. I feel terrified, right? So do you have a problem state now?
Yes.
Do you have a problem? My problem is what?
The spiders.
Yep, I hate spiders.
You hate
Hating spiders is the
spiders.
problem. What's the problem feeling? Ironically, it's not hate. It's fear. Right? Hate is a feeling, but in this case, it's more of a judgment call. The feeling here is fear. When a spider is present, when I'm in the problem, when I'm having a problem with spiders, I feel fear. And as a result, I now hate spiders. You get the idea?
Yes.
So we got the problem and we got the problem state. So what could you ask to get a resource state?
When don't you feel irritated by spiders?
Don't try and get too clever with it. Just ask the simplest question you can ask. For example, in this case, it would be, how do you want to feel? Or how do you want to feel when you're around
Okay.
spiders? Right? Doesn't that make more sense?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Not anything to do
Yes.
anything complex. Can you do complex stuff? Yes. But why? We're just learning stuff here. Keep it easy. Keep it simple. Complicated once the simple stuff is too simple for you.
Okay. Okay.
Right? So now we have all of the things we need. We have a problem state, and resource state. Tell me, what's the problem? The problem state and the resource state for me.
The problem is you hate spiders, and the problem is you hate spiders. The problem state is when you feel your feeling towards when spiders are around,
What is it?
and
Say it. What is my problem state?
I just forgot.
Fear.
Fear. Okay, the fear. Okay, and the resource state is how do you feel?
And what is it? How do I feel? I just told you a moment ago. How do I want to feel?
You want to feel good. I mean, you want to feel good when the spiders are not around you.
Okay, but again, did I say I want to feel good?
No, I think I assume that.
So you got to be, now the other part is you got to be able to listen. Don't just ask the question, listen to it. So let's try this again. I hate spiders. What are you going to ask me?
You hate spiders is the problem, so I got to ask you a feeling question.
Go ahead. Ask me the question.
And
Don't tell me, just ask it.
okay, how do you feel when spiders are around you?
Oh, I feel terrified.
Okay,
What's my
and how
problem
do you?
state? Tell me, what's my problem state?
Your problem state is terrified.
Excellent, you got it. Now let's get the
Okay,
resource state. Ask me a question.
how do you want to feel?
I want to feel totally calm.
You want to feel totally calm. Okay.
Okay. So what's my resource state?
You want to feel calm.
Totally calm.
Totally calm.
It's a complete
Okay. I
phrase.
get that.
All
Okay.
right. It's a complete phrase. So let's start again. What's my problem?
You hate spiders.
What's my problem state?
Um, you get terrified when they're
That's it.
around
No,
you.
no more. Just terrified. That's it.
You
You don't
get
need any more.
terrified.
Everything
Okay.
else is you complicating life for yourself.
Okay.
And what's my resource state?
You want to feel totally calm.
Totally calm. Do you see how easy that is? Anything extra that you do, that's on you. That makes life harder on you. You can do it, but why do it if it makes life harder?
Okay.
Answer your question?
I think a lot of my energy is going towards framing these questions and getting the best. So I'm skipping on the responses. I probably need to take them
Just
down
ask
and
a
then be a
simple
little
question.
more
You have a
conscious.
great simple question there. How do you feel and how do you want to feel? I mean, can you get any simpler than that?
They're simple. Yes.
Right? Now, if you want to ask more complex questions, by all means do so, but do not do it at the expense of anything else. If you can't, do it simple. If you can, ask any of the other questions from the previous from the kata if you wanted to.
So can you help me with 5 questions now? I mean, 5 problem states and 5 resource states for one problem, right?
No, each problem has one problem state and one resource state. There happen to be 5 problems, which means you'll get
okay.
5 in total, 1 for each one. Just like this is now 6. My spiders was the 6th one. So when you're done with this exercise, you'll have 6 problems, 6 problem states and 6 resource states. 1 problem state and resource state per problem. Right?
Got that. Got that.
No more. You don't have to do 5, you don't have to 10, just literally 1 for each one.
That
Which
makes
is
it
literally
easier
getting
for
the
me.
experience of containing a problem into the simplest variables we can work with. Does that help?
Absolutely.